Class 2 Arithmetic Revision 6. Hello children, we are back again in our arith class. Hope you all are in good health. Today we are going to revise multiplication once again. In previous class we have revised multiplication briefly. Now we will revise it again by solving some exercises. Children, you have already learnt what is multiplication, multiplication tables, what are the properties of multiplication, isn't it? Today, once again, we are going to revise the properties of multiplication and the facts of multiplication, which helps you to solve the exercises. Let us begin. Multiplication properties. Look at these examples. Example number 1. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Example number 2. 36 into 1 is equal to 36. Example number 3. 242 into 1 is equal to 242. So, what does it mean? It means when any number is multiplied by 1, the product will be the number itself, isn't it? Look at the examples. Look at these examples. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Here we multiplied 8 by 1. 8 is multiplied by 1 and we got the answer 8. It means a number itself. Similarly, 36 multiplied by 1 and we got the answer 36. It means a number itself. And 242 multiplied by 1, we got the answer 242. Isn't it? The number itself. So, when any number is multiplied by 1, the product will be the number itself. Now, look at these examples. Example number 1. 5 into 0 is equal to 0. Example number 2. 34 into 0 is equal to 0. Example number 3. 405 into 0 is equal to 0. So, it means any number multiplied by 0 gives product equal to 0. Look at these examples once again. 5 into 0 is equal to 0. 5 multiplied by 0 and we got the product equal to 0. Similarly, 34 multiplied by 0 and we got the product equal to 0. And look, example number 3, 405 into 0 is equal to 0. So, it means any number multiplied by 0 gives product equal to 0. Now, look at these examples. Example number 1, look, 5 into 8 is equal to 40. And 8 into 5 is also equal to 40. Isn't it? What does it mean? It means in multiplication, the product of numbers remains same even if we change the factors order. Look, 5 into 8. It means 5 and 8 are the product 5 and 8 are the factors of 40. 40 is the product and its factors are 5 and 8. Similarly, 40 is the product and its factors are 8 and 5. Isn't it? So, in multiplication, the product of numbers remains same even if we change the factors order. Look, example number 2, 8 into 10 is equal to 80 and 10 into 8 is also equal to 80. So, I hope you remember all the properties. Now, let us revise some more facts on multiplication. Let us revise some more facts of multiplication. And these are, do you remember that? Do you remember that? Repeated addition is called multiplication? Yes. So, now let us revise it by solving some exercises. Before solving these exercises, I hope you have remembered all the tables of multiplication. Yes. Memorize them, okay? Because you need them to solve these problems. Let us start. Write as repeated addition. Write as repeated addition. Look, 3 into 8 is equal to 24. How you will write this as repeated addition? Look, 3 into 8 is equal to 3 eighths. It means 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. So, 3 into 8 is equal to 3 eighths. And 3 eighths means 8 plus 8 plus 8. Isn't it? Okay. Now, look, 3 into 8 is equal to 24 and 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. See, in both operations we got the same answer. It means repeated addition is called multiplication. So, how we will write this as repeated addition? How we will write 3 into 8 is equal to 24 as repeated addition? It will be like this. Look, 3 into 8 is equal to 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. Okay. Now see one more example. Look at this. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24. We can also say it like this. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 4 times 6 or 4 sixes. Isn't it? So, how we will write this in multiplication method? Look, how we will write this in multiplication fact? We will write like this. Look, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Okay. Here, see, in both cases we got the same answer. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 24 and 4 into 6 is equal to 24. Now, look, here is one more example for you, and that is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to what into what is equal to what? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to dash into dash is equal to dash. How we will solve this? First, count. How many 5s are written here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it means 4 5s, isn't it? It means 4 5s. And we will write like this: 4 into 5. 4 into 5. So, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. And 4 into 5 is equal to 20. Isn't it? Okay. So, how we will write this? 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So, this is the answer. Again, I have solved one problem for you. Look at this. 6 threes. 6 threes is equal to dash plus dash plus dash plus dash plus dash is equal to dash. Now tell me how you will do this. 6 threes means how we will write this? In addition fact. Yes, you have to write it in addition fact. And how we will write this? Look, 6 threes is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So count how many times 3 are written here. How many 3 are written here? Yes, 6 times. So we can say like this also. 6 threes is equal to 6 into 3. So the answer will be 6 threes is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Now you have to solve this kind of problems like this. Okay. Let us revise another important fact of multiplication, and that is, look at these examples. Example number 1. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. 7 into 10 is equal to 70. Now, look at example number 2. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So, what does it mean? It means if we multiply by a number ending with 0, the product always ends with 0. See here, 7 into 10 is equal to 70, and 70 is the product, isn't it? And see, it ends with 0. Similarly, 2 into 10 is equal to 20. So here 20 is the product and it ends with 0. So when we multiply by a number ending with 0, the product always ends with 0. Next, look at this example. 60 into 10 is equal to what? 60 into 10 is equal to what? How we will get this? To get this answer, we have to follow 2 steps. I hope you remember this. Step number 1. Multiply the numbers by ignoring the 0. Multiply the numbers by ignoring the 0. Look. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Step number 1 will be 6 into 1 is equal to 6. Now, step number 2. Count the total number of zeros in both the numbers and write them to the right of the result that we got in the step number 1. Now, count how many zeros are there? Count. Yes, there are 2 zeros. So, write 2 zeros to the right of 6. And now, the answer will be what? Tell me. Yes, the answer will be 600. So, you got the answer. And the answer is, look, 60 into 10 is equal to 600. Now, here are some exercises which you have to solve by following the properties and the facts of multiplication. Okay, so let us discuss it. Look at the exercises. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, A. Here, 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to dash into dash is equal to 35. Here you have to write the multiplication fact. You have to write the multiplication fact. Okay. So, how we will write this? You have to count how many 7s are here. At first you have to count how many 7s are here. Here are 7. How many 7s are here? Here are 5 7s, isn't it? So, how we will write this? 5 into 7 is equals to 35. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Okay. Now, B. 6 into 6 is equal to dash plus dash plus dash plus dash plus dash plus dash is equal to dash. Now you have to write the addition fact here. So how we will write this? 6 into 6 is equal to 6 sixes. 6 sixes. Isn't it? So you have to write here 6 sixes. Then you have to add them and you will get the answer. Number C. 3 nines. 3 nines is equal to dash plus dash plus dash is equal to dash into dash is equal to dash. So, again, you have to write it, the multiplication fact. You have to write the multiplication. You have to write here the multiplication fact and the addition fact both, isn't it? So, you have to do it by your own, by following the facts of multiplication. Now, question number 2A. 4 into 7 is equal to dash into 4 is equal to 28. How we will solve this? You can solve this problem by following order property of multiplication. Order property of multiplication. Okay. Number B, dash into 5 is equal to 5 into 9 is equal to dash. Again, you have to solve this by using order property of multiplication. Question number 3a. 8 into 7 is equal to dash. 8 into 7 is equal to dash. Here are the options. Number 1, 7 into 8. Number 2, 7 added 8 times. Number 3, A and B both. So now tell me how we will do this. 8 into 7 means 8 sevens. 8 sevens. And that means 7 added 8 times. Okay. I think you got the answer. B. 5 fours is written as 5 fours is written as options 1, 4 into 5, 2, 5 into 4, or 3, 5 plus 4. Now you have to do it by your own. Question number 4. A number multiplied by itself gives 36. What is the number? A number multiplied by itself gives 36. What is the number? Tell me, what is the number? A number multiplied by itself and gives 36. What is the number? That's why I told you have to remember the multiplication tables. Okay, so memorize them, practice them regularly. Okay, practice the tables regularly. Then you will be able to answer this kind of questions. Okay, so you have to do it by your own. Now, next, multiply. Here are some problems. You have to solve them by your own. Next, fill in the missing numbers. Fill in the missing numbers. Look, 40 dash 50, 55 dash dash. Next, no matter what you multiply by 0, no matter what you multiply by 0, you get the same answer. What is the answer? What is the answer? No matter you multiply by 0, you get the same answer. So, what is the answer? I think you know that. You have to use or you have to apply to get this answer zero property of multiplication, isn't it? Now You have to do it by your own. Next, 4 auto rickshaws have dash wheels. 4 auto rickshaws have dash wheels. Now tell me, one auto rickshaw has how many wheels? 3 wheels. So 4 auto rickshaws have, yes, 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Very good. So 4 auto rickshaws have 12 wheels. Next, how many apples are there in 1 dozen? How many apples are there in 1 dozen? Do you know 1 dozen means how many things? Do you know 1 dozen is equal to how many things? Or how many things make 1 dozen? Yes, very good. 12 things. 12 things make 1 dozen. It means 1 dozen is equal to 12. So now I think you will be able to solve this problem. How many apples are there in 1 dozen? Yes, 12 apples. Very good. Next, how many zeros are there after 9 in 90 into 10? How many zeros are there after 9 in 90 into 10? Yes, you have to apply the steps. You have to apply the steps to find out the answer. And the steps are, number 1, multiply the numbers by ignoring the 0. Okay. Then step 2, count the total numbers of zeros in both the numbers and write them to the right of the result that we got in the step number 1. Rest you have to do it by your own. Okay. And here are the options. A 2, B 1, C 3. So you have to write the answer. Here, these exercises you have to do it by your own. Okay. Practice them and memorize them. Practice them and memorize them very carefully. Memorize all the properties, tables, facts of multiplication thoroughly. It will help you to solve the exercises. Okay. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.